para sa reporting. So first, ang planning. Gaplano mo unsay process sa inyong report, unsa inyong buhaton ug kinsa ang mo report. Second is ang monitoring. This is during the report niyo where is ga report mo og puli-puli na mo og report o ga discuss sa inyong topic. Lastly naman is ang evaluation. This is the part nga naghatag na mo og feedback ang yung teachers about sa inyong report or simply yung classmate is ga-ask og questions about sa inyong report. Now you know. Now let's go to the next topic, which is ang metacognitive teaching strategies. The last but not the least topic. So, there are 5 metacognitive strategies. Kini mainly ang first is thinking aloud. So, thinking aloud helps learner to think aloud about their thinking as they undertake a task. Example ni is ang kanang while study ka para sa quiz tomorrow is imo pang gisulti imuhang study while galakaw baka ro nakagibuhat imo siyang gi-memorize. Second is ang journalizing. It can be used together with the thinking aloud. So example niya is kanang while study ka then ga-memorize imuhang gisuwat imuhang mga na-study sa paper or imo siyang gisuwat. Third is ang error or analysis is a strategic approach for using feedback metacognitively to improve one's future or performance. Now, I'll give you this example ni is kanang reporting ka then after sa inyong reporting is mag-ask ka sa imong mga question if okay ra ba ang imong reporting or gahatag og feedback ang imong teachers sa imong reporting or sa inyong demo. That would be an example. The second is unwrapper, activity that fosters learning metacognition before, during, and after class. So, let's just say nga you are a teacher. Example ha, you are a teacher. Then you have a storytelling sa karon nga klase. But before you start the class, you're gonna ask the students what are your topic or story for the day. So kana siya ma-trigger ng mga students kung unsa yung topic. So mahibaw-an nila unsa lang topic. Pero dapat matag sad ka og kanang clue para makahibaw sila. So then lastly ay ang peer monitoring. It is a proven metacognitive strategies as many learners learn best when they studying with peers who are more informed and skilled than them. So a good example of this is you have an activity. So like gibay group mo sa inyong teachers. Then tungod sa naman may activity nga gibay group man mo, ga-brainstorm mo sa inyong classmates so that you have many ideas na makuha ug ma-observe sa usad then maka-learn mo mag-argue. And that is a good example. And now you know.